How important it is to recognize the direction in which we are being led by any particular influence. The manner in which quail are often trapped provides a parallel to Satan's tactics. Wheat is placed several feet from the spot where a snare is triggered to spring shut on the quail. At first, the birds approach the good wheat with some obvious apprehension, but because there is no danger in view, their fears are allayed. The next day, the wheat is placed a bit nearer to the snare, and the birds are less wary of the scattered grain. Day after day, the wheat is placed just a little bit closer to the trap, until the quail are completely confident that there is nothing dangerous about the fine wheat. Then, of course, the grain is placed inside the snare, and the birds still come. Innocently, they trust the good food to remain good, and a safe feast to remain safe. Then the trap is sprung. I'm not contending that quails should stop eating wheat, or that Christians should cease all good activities. The point is that we should be cautious enough to consider the direction in which we are being led and be willing to give up even the good things if they are taking us in a direction of spiritual danger. Can good things lead in the wrong direction? Indeed, they can. Christians are led to give up their high standards by degrees, often by a completely innocent-looking process. This is the way compromise has always slipped into the church. Satan introduces an activity which is only slightly objectionable. In fact, it might be very hard to define exactly why the action isn't good. And because the deviation is so tiny, no one really wants to make an issue over it. Some faithful members of the church feel uncomfortable about the matter, but are reluctant to say anything for fear of being called fanatical. They decide to wait until there is a larger issue before they take a strong stand. Unfortunately, there will never be a larger issue. The devil makes certain that all the steps of compromise are very small. He knows that hardly anyone would have the courage to make any sustained objection to the minute degree of digression. Satan will insinuate himself by little wedges, which widen as they make a place for themselves. The specious devices of Satan will be brought into the special work of God at this time. The work of the enemy is not abrupt. It is a secret undermining of the strongholds of principle. It begins in apparently small things. The Creeping Compromise, Chapter 1, by Joe Cruz. Stay tuned.